right.
Let's see what's in there. It's like a flannel sergeant. Whoa, whoa.
Need some help?
What is it?
It's a castle.
It's a treasure chest.
Treasure chest with a sword,
Eli, that's awesome.
spyglass, a coin purse,
Percy.
and a compass.
That is pretty awesome. You want to open it?
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open
There we
it.
go. Oh, look, there it goes.
Open it. Open it.
Oh, there's a. I need a cutter. I need a scissors.
Daddy's going to open it for you.
Open it. Oh,
It's Jake.
yeah.
It's Jake and the Neverland Pirates and me.
It do.
Pirates.
Oh, there we go. Okay, now you open it.
Open it.
Okay.
Big one.
Oh, I think Daddy
Oh,
needs
there's
to
more. I
help
gotta
you.
cut more. Hang on.
Big.
And we have to cut everything.
You want to open another one while Daddy's opening that?
There you go.
That's pretty cool, man.
One quarter. Ready?
Oh, hang on.
It's a quarter.
Quarters?
Quarters.
They're
It's doubloons.
gold doubloons. Balloons. Doubloons.
Doubloons. Oh, what's in here? Nothing.
Paper. You want the quarters? You want to put the gold doubloons in there?
Oh. You got these for him?
Holly and Matt, I think.
Good job.
That's pretty awesome. I've never seen that.
6 doubloons.
Can you count your doubloons?
Balloons.
Count your balloons?
Compass.
You got tape stuck to you. Ah.
And a bandana.
It's a clock. It's a, can you say compass? It tells you where to go. You want to put your bandana on?
The map.
The map?
E.
You don't want to?
I know.
Look,
Okay, you don't have to.
It's really quick. Really quick.
You look so cool.
Pirate, look at you.
I know.
You're a pirate.
That's pretty neat, buddy. And some cool clothes. I think you got camo pants. It's on your nose. On your eye.
Your eye. There. Look through it with your eye.
Look through it.
And pants.
Those are pretty rocking pants.
Whoa. Whoa.
Where'd your other coin go? In your compass?
You still have the camera down here, or is that up there?
Oh, it's
Babe!
Thanks.
Thanks. Eli.
Hold your sword up.
Awesome.
Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Can you look through your
Spyglass?
spyglass again? Thanks, Daddy.
Where is it?
It's beside his foot.
Right.
Look. I see you.
Can you look through it again? All right, that's a pretty cool present.
What are you trying to be, Captain Hook?
You want to open another one?
I know.
No, you won't play with that one, huh?
Oh. We're missing a doubloon already.
A balloon, as Mommy called it. Model it, Daddy.
Oh, Daddy can't even tell.
Eli, can you count the doubloons? How many do you have? You have the balloons? One.
2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, we already lost a doubloon.
Is it on the back? Are you sure there were
You said
6?
there were 6, didn't you? Oh, maybe I'm going by Eli's numbers. Maybe there was one. Give me your doubloon bag. Or just throw them on the floor.
Let's open another present. Can you get another present?
Telescope.
Telescope.
How did he know that?
Got me.
How did you know telescope? Buddy?
Jacob. I see.
Are you a pirate? I laugh in the face of danger. You don't?
Wow, see?
Whoa. Hi, Yoda. What's up, man?
Nothing, just checking everything out. Oh, hi. I'm on Candy Camera.
Look at that.
Hi, Daddy.
Look at that.
I don't think your nose can see. Here.
It's like, whoa.
Well, let's go.
How did he learn telescope?
You want to open another one? You got 2 more to open.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, that was from Holly and Matt.
Want to put your telescope in your box?